Now we have Ron. Stamp Ron. There we go.
Get all that.
There's Ron
Mummy,
there.
you were right.
Yep. And last but not least,
Maybe.
Ginny.
Last but not least.
Last but not least is Ginny. Let's see. Oh, Ginny's got a different colour.
Brown. She's got brown. She's got brown.
She's like a goldy browny colour.
Look.
There's
She's got
Ginny there.
goldy brown.
So aren't they cute? I thought they were really cute. And like I said, all these are the ones to collect. If you like your stamps. Or you can just keep them like this.
Yeah.
And just put them on a shelf. And then give you
wanna
little
play
collectibles
with
for you. So I thought that would be really cute for my little shelf collection.
I'm going to play with all this.
So,
What?
last but not least, I'm going to go and see if I've got some batteries.
Can I play with all this?
I'm going to put
I want to
batteries
play
in.
with my
I'm trying to see, we need 2 double A's, and hopefully we have
Sprinkly,
batteries.
sprinkle.
But I will just show
Sprinkle.
you the
Sprinkle is raining.
nail polishes first. So we've got a cute little, it's got Cinderella on, so a cute little shiny glittery blue nail polish.
Oh.
And then we have a Ariel
Come
pink
on.
glittery nail polish.
Oh, glittery.
And I'll show you the stickers. You got the princesses on there. There's my favourite, Belle.
My favourite.
Elsa's not on there. It's the main princesses.
Elsa is main. It's Elsa main.
Right, so
Mummy, is Elsa main?
for you, yeah. Okay, so batteries in here, and then put your hand on there, and then they should dry. So hopefully we have the batteries. If not,
What is
then
this?
I'll have to show you on Instagram if it works or not.
What is this?
It's a nail dryer. Don't do these when you have kids because drive you nuts. Okay.
Like I did before.
Yeah, you did. Right, so wait there and I'll be back. Hopefully I have the batteries. Okay, I'm back.
Help.
So we've got batteries. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get the pink. I'm going to just put it on my thumb.
Why? Just your thumb.
Yeah, just so I can see if it works. Okay, so it's just a very pale pink, just glitter.
Try a nail.
So let's put it in. It's in.
Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see.
You can definitely feel the breeze on that. Okay. It sort of works. You can definitely feel the air on that. Probably keep it on for a couple of minutes. But yeah, I thought that this was really cute. And you got the Belle, Mulan and Ariel princesses on there. So at least I know that works. I'll just show you the blue one whilst I'm here. Quickly.
Cinderella and Elsa. Cinderella and Elsa can share this, can't they?
You probably need a couple of coats to see the colours.
What
But they're
coat?
very
Dry it.
glittery.
Dry the blue on you. Can you dry the blue?
Okay. It's on. She's blowing as well. Oh, while this is drying, I managed to find the right one. And the one we got was Bluesy Kitty. I managed to find the right one. Also these, don't forget you can stick your stickers on. So yeah.
Can I stick the Cinderella one on?
No, I'm going off it now. Okay, so I hope you've all enjoyed that.
Bye bye.
I'll just show you these ones again. And these
Bye
ones.
bye. Bye bye.
Alright, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
This one. Please let me know which one is your favourite.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah, let me know which one's your favourite, please. And in the comments below.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.
Sorry it was a little bit long. It was longer because of this little one. But yeah. Also, Lizzie's Jewels. I have a jewellery page on Instagram called Lizzie's Jewels that I sell. I made these ones. I made this Darth Vader because he's my favourite. So yeah, if you love jewellery, then please let me know. I do custom ones. I do a lot of Disney ones. So yeah. Keep your chin up, folks. Goodbye.
What's a chin up?
Like this.